Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You see my hair, guys? It's a mess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here. I am at my stylist. I don't know if you guys could see, but I have a lot of dandruff, they would call it. You see my scalp here? It's so white. I have seborrheic dermatitis. And in the winter time, it gets real bad. It's bad. And what happened is, even beside of my face right here, it gets dry, and sometimes it gets real red and behind my ears. And so the colder the weather is the worse it is. Or if we have like spring or fall, then you know, it get irritated. I've been trying to make this be manageable. So the doctor has given me this. It is called, what is it called? Ciloperox shampoo. But I used to have the one that's called Keto something. I don't remember what's its name. And so my scalp got used to that. So the dermatologist, they put me onto this now, in which it has been helping, but not really, right? Because now you start seeing that my ear is like leaving. My hair is getting thin at the line because sometimes it gets so bad. So I don't know if there's anybody else out there who is battling this, but I don't want to talk your head off today because I'm about to go get my hair washed and I'm going to take you guys with me. So come along, you know, to get my hair washed. So it looks like it's full. This lady behind me, I know she's coming for the same thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in first. Oh, that is awesome. Hello. How are you? Hi. How are you? Good. I think I'm gonna go do my hair. I'm gonna do my hair straight today instead of curly. I don't know. Which one do you think I should do? I don't know. Hola. It is a mess. Oh my goodness.
Claro. Pero a veces hay que sacarle esta cabeza, porque ya tiene esta cabeza. ¿No sería mejor ponerle un chino de champú, verdad, Juana? Yo lo pongo ahorita y ya sería blanda, ¿verdad?
Hey guys, so my hair is done. And you know, in Maryland, 5 o'clock is night, okay? If you didn't know, but I'm gonna take this off. My hair is done. So I told her I wanted it straight this time. My kids, they don't like when my hair is curled up, but I like it. They don't like when my hair is curled up. Well, mommy, your hair is too short. But I like it because it lasts longer. But she still just curled the ends a little bit for me. Because I told her I did like the pin curls. Guys, the lady who washed my hair, I had to tip her $15, guys, because she literally took everything out of my hair. And as I can tell you guys, it can be such an embarrassing feeling. But hey, there's nothing I did to have those stuff in my hair. I was born with it, okay? So I thought it was just I used somebody comb or dandruff. No, it wasn't. I was born with it. So if you have seborrheic dermatitis, it was something you were born with from birth. And so there was nothing I was gonna do that was gonna change it. And yeah, but guys, home here looks good, don't it? Yes. So when I go home, the kids, they're gonna love it this way because they do love when my hair is like this. So guys, this is it. This is the final result of my hair. Yes. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love that she put the little curls at the end. And
tell them those are tape-ins.
Tape-ins?
Tell them the truth, mommy.
Tape-ins where? Where?
Mommy, you know you paid that extra $1,000 so they can look natural.
Where?
No
Tape-ins where, guys? Haters are gonna hate. And my hair is cut in a bob. It was cut in a bob a long time ago, and it still have that bob. Gabby, still have that bob chair. But guys, thank you for watching. And the haters are gonna hate. But tell me my stylist don't do a good job. My hairstylist, Gabby, back up. Tell them my hairstylist don't do a good job. They do a good job, right, guys? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Let the girl then bounce, bounce. Riri, Lorena, this is my hair, my natural hair color. You just told me I color my hair. Guys, isn't this natural hair color?
You did dye your hair. Stop acting. You did dye your hair.
Jesus have mercy.
You did.
Guys,
You did dye
look,
your hair.
does this look like a hair dye? Why is this child so you hating on your
You
own
got
mom?
brown highlights in your hair. Mommy. You
Riri.
did dye your hair one time.
Father?
You just, mommy.
Okay, Riri, I dyed my hair one
You
time.
did. I remember.
Okay,
You
and my
did.
hair is
You
done.
You got the highlights in your hair. You had
Unfortunately, you're gonna have to talk to Johnny and Diana. Ask them why my ear have that color here. There's nothing I can do. I inherited from birth, and there's nothing else I can do. No, it's dark now comparing to when I was a kid. So if you're gonna hate me for a little hair color because it's in style, when I was a kid, I was bullied for this. Okay, but now you want to say I do highlights. Okay,
Mommy.
guys, look what I have to go
It's
through.
not natural hair color.